Hi, grade 2 Emirati syllabus. Today I will make solving a small exam, a sample exam for your for what we learned during the academic year. But before I will go to answer the exam today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our exercise, our exam today. Today we have an exam, a sample exam for what we will be in your mid-year test. Here we say, here is the passage. Let's read it together and answer the question below. In the morning, Mohra eats breakfast at 7 o'clock. Before she goes to school at 11 o'clock, she has a break. She plays on playground with her friends. In the afternoon, Mohra gets ready to go home. In the evening, she eats her dinner with her family. At night, Mohra goes to bed and sleeps. I will read this text again to answer the question below. In the morning, Mohra eats breakfast at 7 o'clock. Before she goes to school at 11 o'clock, she has a break. She plays on the playground with her friends. In the afternoon, Mohra gets ready to go home. In the evening, she eats her dinner and in the evening she eats her dinner with her family. At night, Mohra goes to bed and sleeps. Let's do the questions below this text. What time does Mohra eat breakfast? Eat breakfast what here? At 7 o'clock. So I select this one. What does Mohra do at 11? At 11 what? She has a break. You have pupils. Where does Mohra play during the break? So when we ask with play, I ask about what? I ask about the place. So I ask the place that Mohra have break in. It will be what? It will be here in the what? On the playground. So the suitable answer to be on the playground. What does Mohra do in the evening? In the evening, what does Mohra do? Have dinner. I think so. Eats dinner. She eats dinner. Mohra eats dinner in the evening. What does Mohra do at night? She goes to bed. She goes to bed. Let's go to answer the next question. This is the kind of question that it will be in your exam. Good morning. I go to school. It will be here. Go to school. Go to school with what? By bus. Go to school. By what? By bus. Here is by bus. In my classroom, here is I talk about my classroom. In my classroom. Necklace. I have my book. This is my book. And my pencil here. Okay. I try to make my handwriting better, but the pencil don't help me to do so. So, good morning. I go to school by bus. In my classroom, I have my book and my pencil. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. It is like a quiz, not an exam, like a quiz. Okay, let's go to another question here. We say here we have aim is are. So I would like to review with you verb to be I take what? I take aim. You can remember me. I take aim. He, she, it, he, she, it, take what? He, she, it, take is. Okay, it will be here is. You, we, they, take are. You, we, they, you, we, they, take what? Take are. You will say, take are. You will say, take are. Okay. This question in the exam have 4 marks. So if you answer this question, we take the full mark, 4 out of 4. Okay. So you must take care when you answer to take your the full mark for the answer. Here it will be I take am. He, she, it take is. So I take am with verb to be. He, she, it take is in the verb to be. You, we, they take are in the verb to be. So here it will be here what? It will be he is sleeping. The children here are running. It will be here the children because children are plural. So I put are here. My friend is happy. Here is I am 10 years old. I'm 10 years old. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the exercise or the rest of the exam. So now we know how to do this exercise. I will go to another question. Here we say, put a or an. Here is giraffe. As we told you, n we took with what? With the vowel sound. N with vowel sound. I would like to revise you vowel sound to be a, I, O, U. This called what? This called vowel sound. Okay. So n with an indefinite article n with vowel sound a, e, I, o, u. Let's do this exercise together. Giraffe. Is G from the vowel sound? No, it will be here a. So it will be take a. Teacher, it will be take a. Why take a? Because T is not from the vowel sound. Eraser, take a or n. A and Y, and can you say, Miss Iman? Because here we have E and E from vowel sound. Here is a tree, okay? So here is because here T here is consonant sound. So I take here, I put here A and I put here a teacher as draft, except eraser. Why eraser? Because here we have the vowel sound E. So I put A. Let's go to another item here. So I'm sorry for this mistake. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we say, so now we know the articles, indefinite articles. So an used with what? With vowel sound. What is the vowel sound? A, E, I, O, U. This is called vowel sound. Okay. So here we put here G is vowel, not vowel. The G is consonant sound. I put A here. Teacher, it will be here A. Tree, it will be A because it's consonant sound, but N it would be here because E is from vowel sound. Let's go to another item here. Here is we say here is we talk about something that we took it before. That we took it before about what is your favorite subject. Here is we say what is your favorite subject. So I write here my favorite subject. For example, my favorite subject. I write my favorite subject as we teach it. It will be English. Here it will be here. Here is my favorite subject. My favorite. I write, for example, mathematics, not English. I will make a difference. My favorite subject. It will be here. Write it here. We say I write here my favorite subject. My favorite. I would like I write it for you, and I tell you why I write this. I like this subject. My favorite subject. My favorite subject is mathematics. But I don't like mathematics at all. But I write for you mathematics. I write, for example, my favorite rule. My favorite subject. It will be mathematics. Okay. Here here I say here, why do you like it? Because I like numbers. I say I like it because I like numbers, for example, because I like numbers. I select this subject because I would like to give you a sample sentence to be able to write it in the exam. Okay, because I like numbers, for example, because I like numbers. So here we say I like my favorite subject is mathematics. Why do you like it? Because I like math, because I like numbers. So here it will be the reason that I like mathematics. Okay. By this question, by this item, we end from our video. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.